Okay, so today on the craft of drinking, Gabrielle has done something to my sewing machine. So she's trying to fix it, and she sent me off to get tools, and tools are not my thing, so we're gonna hope this works. Pause.
Hi, Jenn. Okay.
Am I on the ratchet?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Look at my sewing machine.
It's not broken. It's just not currently working.
It's just not working right.
Oh my gosh. All right. So I think if I can take...
What are you doing, Gabe? Have you ever taken apart a sewing machine before?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. That's not working. Okay, I got it.
Can we just take the foot off so it's not out of the way? Does that work?
Yeah.
Does it come off?
Yeah, I think so.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me right now?
Sorry. I could have thought of that earlier, but I
I
didn't.
should probably take the needle out.
Oh, maybe.
Before I sew my hand.
Am I even videoing? Okay,
Yes.
Yes, I am. But I don't think I was a minute ago. I think I was pointed towards the table.
Wait a minute.
Other way. Is it going the right way?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's right. I love the ratchet sound. Oops.
Me too. It's like
That's gonna be
satisfying.
Okay. Look, it's coming apart. I'm a little nervous. Are you nervous?
Not
Maybe
really.
we'll find all those needles
Oh, maybe.
that have been dropped down here. No screws though. Not yet. No screws are dropped in the making of this video. Ugh.
Well, good thing we're videoing because we might not
I can't
remember how to.
get my head in there to see. Oh my gosh, there's so much. It looks like a
What's in there?
mouse. No, it's just dust. I thought by taking
Is
that
this giving you anxiety?
thing out. No. I thought I would be able to like get in there better, but
That didn't do anything, did
a
it?
little bit.
I have no idea if that can see what you're doing. I wonder if I can flip it.
Maybe we should YouTube how to professionally clean a sewing machine.
What fun would that be?
Yeah. But now there will be a professional video by the craft of drinking.
Of.
How to clean.
Oh my gosh, look at that! Was that on there? I hope so. That was disgusting.
There's so much more.
I wonder if I can.
Do you have a vacuum cleaner? I bet that would suck it right out.
You think it
I
would?
don't have one. Yeah. There's so much dust in there. I don't see
What
needles.
about the needles? Do you see any needles? Because there's a few needles in there.
But I can't really see because my nose gets in the way.
Your nose gets in the way. To be continued. We'll be right back. What'd you get? Oh my gosh!
It's like,
That's so gross.
ew,
There's a big chunk over
fabric
there.
vomit. No, that's not a chunk.
Yeah, down there. It looks like it.
Where are you looking? No, it's just dust.
Isn't that what all of it is?
Well, but it's not a clump. It's on a
okay.
stationary piece.
Okay.
Okay.
To be continued.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Is it on there?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Well, that's moving. Can you help it?
Can you help it? I see a big old chunk.
I know, but it will come out.
I don't know where it would have gone. Is it on you? Or is it on the sewing machine? Or no? No, I mean the camera.
Yeah.
Did you leave it in this? Oh, it's right there.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know. I put it in there so I'd remember.
Look, Ace knows we're recording.
Oh, hi, Ace. Do you need to be on the video? This side. Look.
I was
over
going to say,
here.
did he stick his face in there yet?
There. Hi, Ace. Hi. Nope.
Nope.
Not interested.
Sneezy doesn't want to be in it today. He just wants to be back. I love Don, even though he's sneezy.
All right, now.
Can you see it?
That would be really bad. Yeah, I can see my double chin if I drop. Okay, so we did vacuum, but it was so loud, and Jen was holding the vacuum, and I was scooping with tweezers and a, what do you call it? Toothpick.
Yeah.
So we didn't record.
It was quite interesting. There was a big ball of dust that came out though.
Yeah, a really large dust bunny. And a cat butt.
Is he in the camera?
A little bit. Wait, I'm doing this backwards.
Ace.
Right?
Okay, now it's his like, I'm sure.
Am I doing this backwards?
No, I think that's right. But
No, because the hole has to be...
yeah, in front of it.
Oh no, this... Yeah, this is right. Yeah, see? We should watch our video. Don't drop the bit.
Buddy. Hi.
There we go. That's nice and smooth.
You always gotta make your appearance, don't you?
Okay. Now the foot.
Now the oops.
We're good. I'm professional.
And there's Ace again.
Righty,
Dude. We really just have cat videos.
Oh yeah. Actually, they do very well. Was this the new needle or the old needle? This was...
I don't know, there's one here, there's one there. There's one inside. Or
Oh
more.
yeah. That was not me though. Okay. All right. So I think our mask making can continue.
We think.
Yeah.
We hope.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's...
What's missing? Oh, the tray.
Oh, and this part, the metal part.
Oh, yeah. Well, in this. I mean, this is kind of important.
Well, not necessarily, because if you have a pant
It's
leg...
important to the looks of it.
Oh, the looks. Okay. I want to help, but...
Do you want to push it on there? No, you gotta push.
I was pushing Jen.
Didn't look like it.
I don't want to break a nail. How pushing. How? I feel like it's not on there right. Don't hurt me.
Don't hurt you.
Yeah, I don't think. Maybe the foot isn't on there right.
No, it's
For
there.
real, the under. Oh yeah, see, it's right. Okay.
There's that.
Carry on. Where's
What are you looking for now?
the bobbin and such?
Oh,
bobbin,
I don't
and then the
know.
bobbin holder. Nope, there is no bobbin holder.
No, it just goes in
I
there.
forgot. Yeah.
Okay.
Thread me. Okay. Man, if this doesn't work. So the issue is the bobbin was like skipping stitches, and I did not know what to do about it. So we tried everything that we could possibly think of and find on YouTube and the Google.
The Google.
Also, don't know my glasses. Oh, left.
But it kept
right-handed.
skipping.
Yeah, it kept skipping. And we're just trying to make some masks out of the most amazing material ever. Right. Okay, now. Thanks. And hold this one. Turn towards. Nope.
Okay. Cross your fingers.
Okay. Almost. Listen. I'm just kidding. It's okay, baby. Okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh. If we could pull out a dust bunny the size of a cat and it doesn't work properly, we have issues. It looks good. We fixed it.
Oh my gosh.
Jen, we fixed it. Yes. Yes, we need to drink some more to celebrate.
Okay.
What?
Cheers.
What?
Cheers, Gabe.
Also, hold on.
Oh.
Look at this amazing material that we are making masks out of.
They're going to be gorgeous.
Yes. Okay. I'm excited. Okay. Ooh, now I'm smart.
Too.
Okay.
Did you just get smart with your glasses?
I did. I got smart.
Oh. That's pretty amazing.
All right.
Okay.
Bye, Jen.
Peace out.